Hi guys, glad to see you on my newest video. Today we will talk about Logopony. I will show you how to create a logo with this AI. So first of all, let's open up a browser and type in the search box Logopony. This is how the website looks like, and here it is, AI logo generator. Here you can easily create your own logo for your website or company, for example. And firstly, I advise you to create an account in the service. You can easily do it just by clicking on the sign up and login button at the top right. But first of all, we will take a closer look at the pricing. So let's click on this tab. Okay, and as you can see, there are two plans, basic and premium. So basic, one simple logo in low resolution. So for $20, so to be honest, it's pretty expensive price, but okay. And for premium, for $60, you can get more than 50 logo in high resolution with extras. Just below you can see benefits for this plan. You can just read them carefully. First of all, let's try to create our account. You can easily do it by using your social media accounts, for example Facebook or Google. Let's click on Google, choose your account, and that's all. To be honest, it's very easy to create an account here. Okay, and this is the first step. Choose some logos you like. For example, I really like this logo and this one. Okay, now we need to add an icon. We can add up to 5 icons. Okay, and click on continue. Select colors. Let's pick the orange one and click on continue. Almost done. Here you need to type your company name. In our case, How to PC, and you can add slogan, tutorials or best tutorials, and so on. And finally, we can get the results. Well, logos are pretty simple, but I like the first one. It's very simple, but looks good. Okay, and if we want to save it, let's click on it. Oh, and as you can see here, we can get it for 10 euros. If you really like a logo, you can buy it easily on this service. So it was a really short tutorial about how you can create a logo on this website, Logopony AI website, and I really hope it was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and of course like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.